Hello, good morning. Another day in isolation. It's a beautiful day outside, but very, very cold. I will never take our heating for granted ever again. Last night when I went to bed, I had my electric blanket on, socks, jumper and scarf. And I fell asleep like that, and I woke up in the early hours and I was literally roasted in bed. There we are. Anyway, that's by the by. I hope that you're all coping with isolation, or the changes that has affected everybody's daily life. This morning I was so tempted not to make an effort, but I decided that yes, I was going to make an effort, so up I got into the shower, dressed, and I've decided that tonight is going to be a date night with my husband, and he doesn't know this yet. So darling, I know you're going to watch this video later this afternoon, so I'm asking you out. We're going to have an evening at the theatre, and we're going to have dinner first, and we're going to have front row seats at a musical. Earlier this morning I did post a link on my personal Facebook page of a site that you can watch live stream from around the world, and musicals, opera, ballet, all sorts of things that are streaming free now. So yeah, I'm going to get dressed up tonight just as if I was going to a restaurant with the theatre afterwards, and I expect my husband to dress up just the same. We were meant to have been on a cruise directly after Nashville, and it was really strange because every year we've gone to Nashville Needlework Market, we've always done a cruise afterwards, and we originally booked a cruise after this Nashville Needlework Market, and then some things changed, so the cruise got cancelled and different things, and I am so relieved that we weren't on a cruise directly after Nashville. And the other thing is, I'm very, very relieved that it's almost 3 weeks since the market and I'm not showing any signs of the virus, particularly so after having flown across the Atlantic. So anyway, going back to National Needlework Market and the cruise, I have got an outfit that I bought for our next cruise that I haven't worn. So tonight I am going to get dressed up in my glad rags, and we're going to create our own evening of entertainment. The only thing is I've got to cook the meal. But there we are, small price to pay for a little bit of fun. Anyway, today I thought it would be really interesting to have a look at the original Jenefer Gilbert. And this is a sampler that Hands Across the Sea Samplers reproduced some time ago. And this is a Cornish sampler. Jenefer stitched her sampler in 1818. And she was born in the parish of Lanreath in the southeast of Cornwall, and it's very close to the fishing ports of Foy, Polperro and Looe, and they are particularly beautiful parts of Cornwall. Foy is one of our very favourite places to visit, and when my husband had a boat we often used to motor up the coast in the boat and berth up in Foy and just enjoy the very beautiful village, and going into the entrance and pottering up through the river there. In fact, I remember an occasion when I woke up early when we were on the boat, and I decided to go to the down the river to the port to get some freshly baked croissants, and I ran out of fuel in the tender on the way back, so I had to row against the tide, and I was very glad when somebody came along and took pity on me and towed me back to where the boat was moored up the river. I'm digressing. We know that Jenefer was the eldest of 6 children born to Richard and Grace Gilbert, and she was christened on the 22nd of July 1806. Her family were all farmers and they had 3 farms. We know as well that Jenefer, she never married, she never had children. She died when she was 25 in 1830. Now, Jenefer's verse is, and I'm going to read it off the booklet: "Swiftly see each moment flies, see and learn, be timely wise. Every moment shortens day, every pulse bears time away. Thus thy every heaving breath waft thee on to certain death. Seize the moments as the fly, know to live and learn to die." Now, Jenefer made a mistake in her sampler. She stitched "seize the moments as the fly" just here, and it should be "as they fly." Now, I thought long and hard about this when I was charting her, and I double and triple checked that she had actually typed "the," and I think that this mistake may have arisen because in Cornwall, even today, you will find Cornish people that use thee, thy and thou, and I think that's where she went wrong spelling phonetically as it sounded to her. Now, this is a very, very pretty sampler. Now, unfortunately, the colours just do not show in this light. Very, very pretty colours. When I take this to my work table and put it under my LED light, the colours that you can pick up in this sampler are all colours that you find in the countryside in Cornwall. When Jenefer walked the lanes and the paths around her home, she would have seen all these colours in the wild, in the flowers and plants that grew. She only uses 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 colours. These sections in her sampler, this is cross stitch, but there are freehand elements in this basket and again with this basket. So what we did in this chart, I drew out all the freehand elements and then I transferred my drawing to the graph, so everything is counted out for you. This is a good little sampler if you want to try and venture into some freehand elements where you don't have to trace and everything is charted for you. Anyway, I just thought that would be really good fun to show you this one today. Very, very pretty sampler. Her little vines, she partially cross-stitched and then she stem stitched, and then she did little Algerian eyelets, Simna crosses for the little buds. And then she has this lovely basket of fruits. I could murder a basket of fruit now. That's the one thing I'm really missing, is fresh food. everything revolves around food. That was my first waking thought this morning, and I had a long conversation on Facebook Messenger with a friend about what we were both cooking today. There we are, a basket of fruit. So pretty. Anyway, there's me checking in for the day. I suppose that I ought to go and plan this meal I'm going to cook for my husband for this evening before we go to a musical. Yeah, it should be fun. You've got to make your own entertainment when you're at home. Before I do say goodbye, I would just like to reiterate to everybody that all needlework stores need our support at the moment. Please spread your custom around. And if you know of a little needlework store that maybe doesn't have a presence on social media sites, why don't you post in our Sampler Years, which is a group that I co-admin with Krista Gramer of Just Stitching Along. Post about your little store and how people can contact your little store to make an order whilst they're closed. It's so easy in this day and age to just shop by clicking on a website, but we need to keep these small stores going. So please share your custom around. Okay. That's me done for today. I hope you're enjoying these little pop-in, pop-out videos. And till tomorrow, or maybe even till Monday, it might be a late night tonight with our date night. Until then, until the next time, stay safe, stay well, and bye-bye.